Right. We're rolling. It's going to look so pretty at night, isn't it? And there's all different colors as well. We've got like 4 white ones, and then there's like purple and blue and red and yellow. I think Abby's going to have a ball. Is she still coming? Sweet.
Yeah, definitely.
Good. Certainly puffing up a bit, isn't it? I can't believe how big it is.
It's pretty in the dark.
I suppose they would look small when they were floating up into the ether, wouldn't they? You feel like it's lightening up?
Yeah.
Just stand in the middle of the lawn.
Fair enough, but it's on fire.
It's going to go over the hill.
Might. Oh. Do you want any help? Okay.
As long as the wind slows down. I'm going to give it a go, I think.
Okay. Certainly it's looking pretty ready. Don't get carried away now. Okay. Almost there. Oh, there we go.
Come on.
Oh dear.
Chase it! There she goes. Oh. Right.
It's making it. Go, go, go,
Oh yeah, it's climbing over the roof.
go. There she goes.
Oh. Oh, there! It's over the power lines.
It's cool.
There it's gone.
It's out of my hands officially.
It is. It's going quite high, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
There she goes. Nicely done, Dan. The proud papa.